If your clothes come out of the washing machine smelling bad, the problem isn't the detergent. It's usually the rubber seal. Water, soap, and mold accumulate inside it. Even if you can't see it, it's there. Clean the folds thoroughly with a cloth and leave the door open after each wash. Do this, and the smell will disappear. If your refrigerator isn't cooling properly, it's not always broken. Often, it's simply too full. Cold air needs to circulate. If you block the air vents, it won't cool correctly. Leave space between food items and don't pack everything to the back. This greatly improves efficiency. Your house never smells fresh because if you only open one window, the air doesn't circulate properly. But if you open two, you create a current that lets air flow through. So, why doesn't your house smell fresh? If your tomato plant keeps dying in containers, this is probably why. No drainage holes. Water has nowhere to go. The roots rot. Always make holes at the bottom. In container gardening, drainage is everything.